Teejay, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
Gang. What's good, you two? Gang. Y'all see what's going on? Yes, war is in the air. War is here. War is here. War is in the air, man. Clash Teejay gang. Clash Teejay gang. If y'all saw my previous reaction, my previous Teejay reaction to Warning, y'all saw what I was talking about, man. I just did the reaction to Teejay's Warning, man, and I was like, yo, if tune bad, Byron Messia have to reply. If you don't reply, you might run from a war, I'm a coward. You see me? I was saying all that during the video. If you haven't checked out my reaction to Teejay Warning, the Byron Messia this, go check it out now. The upload is up right now. You know what I'm saying? I was like, yo, if Byron don't reply, man, he's a bitch, bro. He's soft, he's scary, dog. You know what I'm saying? And while I was recording the video, Byron Messia dropped this collision, bro. It's all over social media. You feel me? People going crazy, man. And I just did the Teejay video, bro. So it's right on time. So it seemed like Byron don't scared. You feel me? Byron don't scared. He not running, don't afraid, gang. Yeah, man. So I go check out and see what I'm going. But hey, man, Byron ain't gonna cap to you, bro. He got a lot of work to do because Teejay went crazy on this trap, bro. So you gotta come on point. You gotta come correct on this one, gang. No cap, man. You gotta come correct on this one because yo, Teejay went crazy. I remember Teejay is just a warning, no, bro. That's what niggas need to remember. Teejay one was just a warning, bro. Warning shot. You come out now, you not fire no warning shot, no. I shot you fire, no, bro. You see me? I say, yeah, man, gang. And the man not go fire after you and you fire back a warning shot. Nah, nigga, man, fire me a bullet, man. You see me? So this one is shot fire now. It's not no warning shot. So them better connect, they better lick, they better soak in, they better murder. You see me? Cause Teejay went crazy, gang. Yeah, man. So if you ever check out my reaction to Teejay's Warning, go check it out now, gang, so you can know what's going on. You feel me? Yeah, man. Yeah, cause apparently Byron Messia throw some shade at Teejay, and Teejay answered to a truck, fire some warning shot. No, Byron now. Why they are, gang? Let's get it, man. We're not Willoughby 5, man. Come on, I want to hear what's going on, bro. I want to hear what's going on. Byron, you gotta come correct, bro. You feel me? This is a war time now. You see me? Yeah, this ain't no warning. Teejay fired the warning shot now. So Teejay get up and that was crazy. So you know you got a fire shot and them have to connect. Let's get it.
To base be the glory.
When me feel left up, me want to call up by my saying them too. But for them fast, but for them slow. Looking at the sky, you wanna see the junk up. Ring it up with bell and everybody have to know.
Okay, ring it up with bell and everybody have to know. Alright, come on.
We are Talibans, we no ball like bitch. Shoot up the car where the pussy they my drift. Dog, me no fear that no bitch. See it take load up every matic.
Okay, shoot up the car with the pussy that my drift. Hey, you know what drift? Cause Teejay made a song called Drift, gang. Yo, that was a hit song, so go check it out if you haven't heard that one. Come on.
We are Talibans, we no shoot and
that's been thrown.
Shoot up the car where the pussy they my drift. Yo, dog, me no fear that no bitch. See it take load up every matic.
Oh, come on.
Oh, fuck up in ya. We a killer gun, man, you buck up in ya. C6 full of be a killer. We kill a man.
Man say, boy, fuck up in ya. We a killer be a gun, man, you buck up in ya. Cause you know any song say, make me fuck up in ya. Drift. Yo, come on.
Disgrace. Me say na killer, you give a pumpy shot, take off the rest of him way. Be a bat, we are flying at the kid.
Pumpy shot, take off the rest of him way. Cause I remember Teejay was trying to lose weight. But Byron, you fat though, bro. You know, so you can't be throwing shades at. That's friendly fire. Come on.
Watch it pussy them a jiff inna the race. So me roll pan him roll pan the trigger like brakes. Pussy me do with a cover on a beer. Like Toronto, so me full of jokes. We are Talibans, we no ball like bitch. Shoot up the car when the pussy them a drift. Yo, dog, me no fear that no bitch. See it take close.
Easy no, man. Yo, easy no. Yeah, you going smooth on this one, bro. But I ain't gonna lie, Byron, bro. From what Teejay said, bro, you need to be going harder than this, bro. This catchy, bro, and I get you counteracting certain points, bro. It's smooth, it's a smooth this, but no, bro. Teejay went harder, bro. Come on.
Load up every matic. We are Talibans when I shoot and miss. Shoot up the car while the pussy them a drift. Yo, dog, me no fear than no bitch. See take load up every matic. This see take a serious dumb. And a girl from Ochi a tell me yeah, she period blood.
Okay, that's disgusting. Man said this see take your serious dumb. A girl from Ochi say yeah. When I repeat them nasty line there, that's crazy.
6 rise up 17 and gun. And watch he pussy pan him knees a cry like swear say Jesus come. No bag attacking me I do it and done. Head a bust and blood a leak pangung. Man a savage we put stab in a belly me even need a gun. But tell me how me fi murder them son.
Yeah, how do we help?
Taliban's when I buy like bitch. Shoot up the car where the pussy they my drift.
I want to know how Teejay become your son when Teejay bust before you. That's how I don't get it. You know what I'm saying? This man just trolling Teejay, bro. Come on.
Dog, me no fear than no bitch. See take load up every matic. Be a Taliban's when I shoot and miss. Shoot up the car while the pussy they my drift. Yo dog, me no fear than no bitch. See take load up every matic.
That's crazy, gang. That's crazy, gang. Come on, war start. Come on. War start, gang. Out to that one. Yo. Byron Collision. Loves and skirt. Shout out to Byron Messia, man. The one named Collision. You feel me? That was reply to Teejay's warning, bro. You know what I'm saying, gang? Yo, that was very smooth from Byron. You know what I'm saying, for a diss track. You know what I'm saying? But what y'all think about that one, gang? Let me know in the comment section. But in my opinion, bro, Teejay, you gotta, Teejay. Byron, you gotta go harder than that, gang. Real shit. This is Teejay. You can't play with Teejay, bro. You feel me? With Teejay fight, that was a warning shot, you know, bro. You know what I said? That was a warning shot. So you gotta go hard. Teejay is mad lyrical. A bad man tune Teejay make. So I don't want to hear, when you hear them gal tune and them, it's song like GIF and you feel like say, yo, a bad man tune Teejay make you. You see me? Teejay a bad artist. You see me? I say, yeah, man. So we know what go on, Byron. I'm not live right now, gang. Right now, the match looking like Teejay 1, Byron 0, bro. You know what I'm saying? Teejay 1, Byron 0. You know what I'm saying? But the match just started. You see me? I say, yeah. So we're gonna see where I'll go on if. But so far, Teejay is ahead, bro. 1-0, no cap. You see me? Teejay warning, bro. Go hard, man. The beat and everything and the lyrics. Yeah, man. Teejay kill him with lyrics, man. I'm telling you, man. Yeah, man. This smooth, you know. I don't get it, yo. You talk about drift and rare. You see, if you did drop this first, then we could have see you say this bad. So if this did drop first before warning, it could have bad. But no, man, warning drop first, bro. This cannot reply to warning. You see me? If this did drop first and Teejay reply with warning, this would have dead. Real shit. So let's be real, man. You know what I'm saying? Teejay 1, Byron 0 so far, man. But I'm here for the clash, supporting both artists. You see me? I say, but I say people don't sleep on Teejay. You see me? Me know say Byron got a hit song and thing. Teejay got a hit song too. But don't feel like Taliban's if you saying can walk over Teejay easily. No, it ain't gonna be easy. I have to fight for this for real. Yeah, man, gang. You see what I go on do. But shout out to Byron Messia, the one named Collision, gang. Let me try to think in the comment section. If you like you, show the artists all over and support. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Who you think win in the clash? You know what I'm saying? And what do you say so far about what do you think about both songs so far? You know what I'm saying? Both artists so far, gang. So yeah, man. Let me know who you're saying I clash, who you think gonna win, and who y'all bring. All that good stuff, gang. You already know what time it is. Your boy Jambisco out here in a banger. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.